What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by for today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to keep a diaper bag organized and sorted and clean and just ready at all times. This is at least the way I do it and what I have found works best for me and my everyday lifestyle. In my baby essentials video, which I will link in the right or left hand corner of this video, I did mention that I wanted to do one of these videos and I got a couple responses from you guys saying that you would love to see it. So here is my diaper bag, and so far I have been loving this diaper bag ever since I purchased it 6 or 7 months ago. I have gotten daily use out of it. It is still looking as good as ever, and so I came up with a very simple and easy to keep up with organization method. There's nothing to it really, but it has helped us quite a bit and I'm hoping that it will help you. So let's jump right into this video where I show you guys how to keep a huge bag of a bunch of baby items organized and ready to go. All right, here is the inside of our diaper bag, and as you can see, everything seems to be pretty organized. Nothing is like falling around, and that is what I love. Obviously, you do not need to have this particular diaper bag or diaper backpack in order to achieve this simple system. Any diaper bag will do. I just really like this one because you can fit so much in there. I do still have some room, and I am not using any of these pockets. This front pocket, front zipper, and both of these side pockets are empty. I like to keep it like that because when I am out on the go, it's just nice to be able to slip whatever I need into these and not have them already be filled up or being utilized for something. So I keep those empty, and then this inside is what just gets packed with all of our essentials. So pretty much all this system needs are some large 1 gallon size Ziploc bags. And I use these for all of my essentials. So I have a bag full of diapers. I do keep these stocked, so whenever we come home, I will add 1 or 2, however many I use. I like to keep about 10 in here. I also have it labeled diapers right here. I've also found that this system is really useful and good and works for whenever my mom, my mother-in-law, my sister take Annabelle. They're able to keep this system organized too. So I know it doesn't just work for me, it works for them. It makes their life a little bit easier when they have Annabelle. So my next Ziploc contains wipes, and I have all sorts of wipes in here. I have her regular wipes that we use to clean her with a dirty diaper, and then I also have hand and face wipes, and I also have in the back there some Arm & Hammer bottle and pacifier wipes. And then these hand and face wipes are the Up & Up Target brand. My next Ziploc is filled with blankets. Now these blankets, I have 3 of them. I have 2 like receiving blankets and then 1 thicker blanket. These are blankets that I don't mind keeping in here. These are more like emergency type of blankets if I need to lay her down somewhere. So what I'm saying, I guess, is that these are not the cutest blankets in her blanket collection. These are more of like the hand-me-down blankets that I don't really want to use on a daily basis, but more for like an emergency situation, like I said. And then the next Ziploc is her changing pad. But I do label this Ziploc dirty. Hopefully you're able to see that clearly. So other than just keeping her changing pad in here, whenever we change her and we're out, I will put her dirty clothes right in here so that I know when I get home the clothes are dirty, they need to go right into the hamper or to the wash. And so keeping the clean clothes and the dirty clothes separate is just something that I find to be pretty important. And then our last Ziploc here are a bunch of clean clothes. And included in this Ziploc, I have 2 short sleeve onesies, 1 long sleeve onesie, and then I also have a bib. And like I said, this bag is just labeled clean. And then here you can see it is empty now that I've pulled out my 5 Ziplocs. Other than her food dispenser, and this is something that I mentioned in the baby essential haul, This was purchased at Target. And then I also have like a little emergency type of kit in here. And then this pocket that opens without a zipper, I always put her bottle right in there if she's not drinking it. So this system just keeps everything organized. I'm able to pull out what I need and not pull out everything that I don't need. And it's also nice because stuff isn't just like floating around in there getting lost. I don't have to spend too much time digging trying to find something. And as I'm sure most of you guys know, if you guys have a baby, a lot of this stuff is kind of like time sensitive stuff. You can't really spend too much time looking and digging through a bag trying to find a diaper or a wipe or a blanket, whatever it may be. You just don't have that much time as a parent of a baby. So this method just saves me a lot of time, both making sure everything is packed and ready to go, and also when we are out on the go. And besides that, it is really, really easy to just pack all of this stuff back away, especially when I'm kind of like taking inventory, making sure that everything that we need, we have. It's just really easy to pull these out, kind of count what we have and what we might need, and then get this ready to go. So here you can see everything is packed back away. I keep her formula dispenser right on the top here. So yeah, it's all ready to go. You guys saw me pack it up, you saw me empty it out, and it's just that simple. And that is what my whole kind of mantra of life is lately, is just simplicity, keeping things as simple as possible, as easy as possible, just because I don't have that time and energy to spend on things that I don't really need to spend the time or energy on. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was pretty quick and pretty simple, and hopefully you guys are able to implicate this very easy Ziploc bag system in your diaper bag. Obviously, if you have like smaller items, you can always use smaller Ziplocs, but please give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you would like to share how you keep your diaper bag organized, I would love to hear any tips or suggestions that you might have. I always make sure to respond to all of the comments I receive, so I will definitely make sure to respond back to you. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.